welcome to Haberdashery. Today I'm going to show you how to make this bleach tie-dye hoodie. You only need 3 things to make this hoodie. You need obviously a blank hoodie in black, 100% cotton. You need some bleach dye and you need an empty spray bottle. And some gloves. You need some gloves. I didn't mention gloves. You need gloves, especially for this one. The first thing you need to do is put about 1 inch of bleach in the bottom of your spray bottle and then fill the rest up with warm water. And that's your bleach dye. It's that simple. This project is best done outside, so lay your hoodie down outside on the floor. And then all you want to do is just scrunch it up. Scrunch the arms up, scrunch the body up, scrunch the hood up so it's just kind of one scrunched up pile. Then just spray that scrunched up pile with your bleach spray. And leave it for a couple of hours. Oh, I've got a little friend. Hello. When you go back, just gently pull the sleeves out and pull the bottom out and you'll see the amazing pattern. Now all you need to do is turn it over, do exactly the same again. So all you need to do is leave it to dry again for a couple more hours, then you can put it in the washing machine and it should come out like this. If you like this but you don't want to make one, they are available to buy on my Etsy shop, which is www.haberdashery.etsy.com. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!